Have you ever come across an online store that looks so trendy and affordable that it almost feels too good to be true? That's exactly what Maindiues.com seems like at first glance. A sleek website filled with modern, streetwear-inspired outfits that could easily catch anyone's eye. But as we dug deeper, things started to look a little suspicious. Maindiues claims to offer high-quality, stylish pieces that compete with top streetwear brands. Yet when customers placed their orders, many reported a completely different experience. Several online reviews mentioned that orders never arrived, and attempts to contact the company went unanswered. Their so-called support email and contact page appear unresponsive, leaving many buyers frustrated and out of pocket. Another red flag: the website's domain was only registered in March 2025, which is quite recent for a brand claiming to be well-established. To make matters worse, a quick reverse image search revealed that many of Maindiues' product photos are actually copied from other clothing websites and big fashion brands. There's also zero trace of Maindiues on social media, no verified pages, no customer interactions, and no behind-the-scenes transparency that legitimate clothing brands usually maintain. While the website's design and product range might seem appealing, the lack of trust signals, fake-looking reviews, and absence of any reliable company information raise serious doubts about its credibility. Overall, Maindiues.com gives off the impression of being a store built to look convincing, but not deliver on its promises. If you're tempted by their prices or styles, it might be better to pause and do a bit more research before spending your money. Because when a deal looks too good to be true, it usually is.